So first test of the carbine is to see if it'll feed. So I put 2 rounds of the full Wadcutter 8 grains of long shot in there. Let's see if it feeds. Well, that was pretty promising. Let's go ahead and load up full magazine. Okay, I was able to get 9 rounds of 357 Magnum with that 157 grain full Wadcutter into the magazine.
Turn the laser off when you put it down, please.
La 357 Magnum, la 40 es Winchester.
That shot, all 9 just fed perfectly, even though the bullets are sharper than little edges. But it fed just perfectly, and I think you're gonna like the group that we just shot too. So here's 10 rounds out of the carbine offhand, 12.5 yards with a long shot load, and it shoots well. Okay, now let's go ahead and load 9 rounds of the 38 Special hot loaded with the 12 grains of 2400 powder and 172 grain Keith bullets. So let's go ahead and run 9 of those, see if they run okay in the carbine.
I think that's a 44. Oh, the lever. It's smaller though.
Well, the Winchester model 1894 just goes like it really owned them. Also didn't shoot the group quite as well, but that's because I lost focus of the sights. You gotta breathe. If you don't breathe, the sights get fuzzy and you're not gonna shoot as well. So after about the first 3 or 4 rounds, the sights got fuzzy. Well, that's a nice excuse. Well, we need all the excuses we can get, right? Over to the Keith 38 hot 38 load. Did that, but again the sights started getting fuzzy because I wasn't breathing. So I went ahead and shot a few more shots with a Keith bullet and aimed for the head there, the head there, the head there. And then I shot low, couldn't believe it, so I shot a second shot, and so the Keith bullet is also accurate in the carbine. The shooter is up to the shooter.